Hello! We are back with more adding multi-digit numbers. Now last time we did this, our numbers worked out pretty well. We didn't need to regroup. Today it's going to be different. You are going to practice regrouping. Remember this special detail I told you. The most groups you can fit in each place is 9. So remember how I would write down how many groups using lines? The most I can have in each section is 9. If I get more than 9, I will be showing you how to circle those 9, or circle that group of 10 and move it on over to the next place value. Let's jump right in. Starting with this number, 13,765. Let's take a look at the ones place. How many groups do we have in the ones place? The answer is 5. So I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still looking at this number, we're going to move on to the tens place. How many groups of tens do we have? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Moving on to the hundreds place. We have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then we have the thousands place. Here in blue, we have 3. 1, 2, 3. And last but not least, the 10,000s place. Right here, we just have one group of 10,000. Awesome. We took care of that number. We gotta move on to this number. Starting once again with the ones place. How many groups of ones do we have? As you can see right here, written in black, we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Over here in the tens place, we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the hundreds, we have 2. 1, 2. And in the thousands, we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And last but not least, our 10,000s place, we have 2. 1, 2. Alrighty, this should look very similar to the previous videos that I posted on adding multi-digit numbers. Now this is where this special rule comes in. We're going to add our groups together, but we're going to make sure that there are only 9 or less in each place. Whenever we hit 10, we're going to bundle up that 10 and move it on over to the next place value. I'll show you how that looks. Alrighty, starting with the ones. Once I get to 10, I'm going to circle that group of 10. If I get to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Looks like I'm gonna form a group of 10. I'm gonna circle my 10 groups and I'm going to move them over to the tens place. So this group right here, I'm moving it over here because 10 little ones equals one group of 10. That makes sense. Alrighty. So what are we left with after we move them over? Let's count. 1 and 2. 2 groups of 1. So I can write 2 right over here because I moved these over. Alrighty. Moving on to the tens place. Just like we did before, we're going to count up our groups And when we reach that group of 10, once again, we're going to circle that group of 10 and move them on over to the hundreds place. And that's because 10 groups of 10s equals one group of hundreds. I'll show you how that looks. Let's count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So up to here, all of these, I'm gonna circle, cross them out, and move this group of 10 over here. Now, what are we left with? 1, 2. We're left with 2 groups of 10s because we moved all of these to over here. Alrighty, moving on to the hundreds place. Same thing, let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Looks like all of these equal a group of 10 with nothing left over. So I'm going to put a 0 here, and this group of 10, crossing it out, and I'm going to move it right in there. Okay, moving on to our thousands place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gonna move or circle this group of 10, cross it right out, and I'm going to move it on over to the 10,000s place. Boop. Alrighty. We're down to our last 10,000s place. Let's count them up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Awesome. Oh, and I forgot to write right over here. How many do we have left over thousands? 1. There you have it. Our answer is 13,765 plus 27,257 equals 41,022. That is my answer. Alrighty. After this video, I'm going to put up a slide or a picture of your practice problem. Go ahead and practice all of this. Make sure you remember that the most you can have in each place is 9. If you hit the number 10, circle them, cross them out, and scoot it on over to the place value over. Alrighty, here is your practice problem. Last week, 27,385 students started distance learning in San Diego. This week, 47,237 more students started distance learning. How many total students are doing distance learning? Show your work. Notice how I've color-coded the numbers for you once again to help you out with your place value. I want to remind you that you are going to be doing some regrouping in this problem. Whenever you bundle that group of 10 in one column, make sure that you circle it, cross it out, and you turn it into one group in the column to the left. Alrighty, good luck. I believe in you guys. You can do it.